Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 5-port USB hub. This turns one high-speed USB-C port into 5. As you can see, the model number, the BH118G, 4 ultra high-speed data and 1 USB-C PD charging ports. Compatible with all-in-one PC, laptop, tablet, phone, multiple devices, mouse, hard disk, flash drive, etc. So let's open this up. Take a look at it for this unboxing. So all that's in here is the actual hub, and looks like there's a little user's manual. There we go. That's it for in the box. So the instruction manual, which, you know, it's just think of it like a USB switch. And then this is the actual hub. Got the little company logo there on the top. Here is your 4 USB Type-C ports. These are USB-C 3.2 Gen 2. And then at the front, this is your USB-C PD. This would fast charge like a phone or something like that. So essentially, with like an iMac, you'd be able to plug this into one USB port and turn that one USB port into 4 USB ports and still be able to charge up your iPhone. But nice metal casing. Absolutely love that it comes with a longer than normal cable. I'll say normally these cables end about here. They're like barely 3 or 4 inches. So this one's actually long enough to reach for like an iMac like I have that only has 2 USB ports in the first place. So this is a really great add-on to people with Macs who only have a few USB-C ports. That'll essentially do it for this 5-port USB-C hub. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.